Ruggs was a tall and broad-shouldered, dreadlocked youth who originated from the Rockfort area of Kingston, Jamaica, with dark, piercing, calculating eyes. He wore a leather jacket over a crisp white shirt, his hands tucked casually into his pockets. He looked like a man who belonged in a boardroom, not a hospital, but Fidel knew better. The man named Ruggs was as dangerous as they came. "Fidel," Ruggs said, his voice smooth and calm, like a snake coiling before it struck. "You've been busy." Fidel swallowed hard, his throat dry. "I didn't mean for any of this to happen," he croaked, his voice weak. "I was just trying to survive." Ruggs tilted his head, his expression unreadable. "Survival is a funny thing. Sometimes it means making deals with the devil. Sometimes it means running. But you? You opened a box you shouldn't have touched. And now, here we are." Fidel's heart monitor beeped faster, the sound echoing in the quiet room. "I'll tell you everything," he said quickly, his voice desperate. "The Mexicans, the drugs, Isabel, I'll give you whatever you want, just don't kill me." Ruggs smiled, but there was no warmth in it. "Kill you? Fidel, you're worth more to us alive. For now. But let me make one thing clear. You're on thin ice. One wrong move and you'll wish the Mexicans had gotten to you first."